Pineapple Nico Video Channel 2025 presents Dark Plasma Charlie the Anteater cracked the floor with a jackhammer at Menards/Grounded. And it was inspired by Star Hunter 2K4. And this is my first video of Dark Plasma Charlie the Anteater gets grounded, so enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm Dark Plasma Charlie the Anteater, and I'm of Menards Home Improvement Store. Today, I'm going to crack the floor with a jackhammer inside the home improvement store. Alright, I'm in Menards Home Improvement Store. Now to crack the floor with a jackhammer. Starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Who is making a lot of noise with the jackhammer? Dark Plasma Charlie the Anteater. Dark Plasma Charlie the Anteater.
What the? Oh no. It's Buddy Bro.
Dark Plasma Charlie the Anteater. What have you done to the floor here at Menards Home Improvement Store? It has a big crack on it. And why was I hearing a noisy jackhammer?
I'll tell you everything, Buddy Bro. I was the one who was making a lot of noise with the jackhammer, and I cracked the floor with it here at Menards Home Improvement Store.
Oh my god. Dark Plasma Charlie the Anteater. I can't believe you cracked the floor with the jackhammer here in Menards Home Improvement Store. Now the floor will have to be repaired thanks to you. Plus, jackhammers are very loud, and they can hurt a lot of people's ears.
Guys, what happened? The entire home improvement store was shaking. And I heard a loud jackhammer noise.
Well, Dark Plasma Charlie the Anteater was making a lot of noise with the jackhammer, and he cracked the floor with it here in Menards Home Improvement Store.
Really? Dark Plasma Charlie the Anteater, I can't believe this. You cracked the floor with a jackhammer here in Menards Home Improvement Store. Now the floor will have to be repaired thanks to you. Plus, jackhammers are very loud and they can hurt a lot of people's ears. That's it. Get out of this home improvement store and go home right now. And while calling parents about this.
Dark Plasma Charlie the Anteater. We just got a notification from Carter. He told us that you cracked the floor with a jackhammer at Menards Home Improvement Store. You caused a lot of damage to the floor at Menards Home Improvement Store by doing that. Now the floor at the Home Improvement Store will have to be repaired thanks to you.
I agree with your father. Besides, jackhammers are very loud and they can hurt a lot of people's ears. That's it. You are grounded for 10 days.
Go to your room right now and think about what you've done.